Did you forget about the spaghetti already?
I forgot about the spaghetti.
Right, you silly.
Oh my god, he's getting out of his fucking car now. Gotta be careful not to get spotted. I've waited forever for this. Ah!
I leveled up as well with that person. Hey!
Hey, Lemire.
Hey, Lemire.
Where is that bastard?
Alright, all nibbers, keep an eye on Liam. If you don't keep an eye on him, he'll probably kill you. It's SCP-173. But he's a lot more deadlier.
Nah, I'm gonna smack him.
Why is Sam laughing? This is not good.
Hey, look, I might be an evil genius, but you don't have to bring that up. What the fuck am I doing with my life? Ugh! I can't keep still, I can't fucking keep still. Please save my soul, God. I need to move. He's gonna get me up here. I fucking know it. Oh, hello.
Have you been waiting forever for Sam?
I've been waiting forever to bomb the shit out of Liam.
Oh yeah. Oh, that public information. Oh, okay.
I have no idea what you're talking about. Go away, you two. What's so funny? Harvey? Go fuck yourself. Oh, come on! I love your laugh so much.
I'm so confused. Why is he laughing?
I don't fucking know. I love it though.
Oh my fucking god! Unmute the fucking video, like the Rickbot alley, like literally.
Oh.
Hmm?
I'm playing it again. It's funny.
I'm keeping him muted, cause go fuck yourself.
Oh, okay, you're gonna do that. I'll have to have a look at that later. It's a skid noodle.
Skedaddle, skedoodle, your dick is now a noodle.
Wasn't that wizard meme? Yeah, it was, wasn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, it definitely was. It's worse than Hey Beta.
Oh, it was like the high-pitched voice, wasn't it?
Yep, that's him.
It won't ever die. It will never die.
I wish it would. Skedaddle, skedoodle. I'm going to blow up Liam's car.
I might as well to see that shit. I'm not caring like you.
Harvey is quoting something. I do not know what he is quoting, but I'm sure it is funny. Oh my god, hurry up! This is taking forever! Oh, I'm pretty sure I'm about to have a heart attack. I can't stop sweating right now, like, seriously.
You okay there?
No, I'm not okay. I'm the opposite of okay. Shut up.
Something the internet is like wondering this like, oh, Ah!
Right.
Boy, brother, boy.
What the fuck? Fair enough. Oh my god, he's shooting. Why is he shooting? He shot again.
Very rude.
Indeed it is. Literally right now, my intestines are in knots right now. Like, the best knot they've been in is a bow.
I thought Harvey had the kebab.
Well, of course he had the kebab, but that doesn't mean I don't have... That just... Shut up, I can't concentrate! Ugh. I meant to say that doesn't mean my intestines can't get tired. God, I can't stop shaking right now. I'm actually going to develop ADHD at this rate. This is the most pointless thing I've ever done in my entire life.
I love how honest you are about it. You know it's just anything it is.
Well, you cut out most of the time, but yeah, I'm going to agree with that. I'm assuming you're agreeing with the fact that I'm just completely bollocksed out of my mind. But this is going to be the best thing that is going to happen on friend server 08, I mean it.
Why 08?
Because it was the number I don't know. In case anyone else like had a friend server, I could be easily identified from them. That's why 08, so like, you know. I don't get mixed up with any other friend server because my friend server is the 8th friend server. You know this to be true.
Okay, but why the 8?
It's just a number I was thinking of. Fuck me.
You were thinking of boobs.
Yeah, I totally was. That was me. Oh, I'm about to puke! Literally! I kid you not though, this is going to be the greatest thing though. I hope it is anyway. I can't stop thinking about it, like, if it doesn't turn out wrong, if it doesn't turn out right, I'm gonna fuck everyone up. I'm sure I'll be fine. Where is he? I can't see him at this point. I'm kind of panicking as well. Like, the paranoia is inducing in. I'm going to cry. I can't afford tears right now because if I do tear up and cry, I won't be able to concentrate properly. You know, Ali, this is just talking right now is very therapeutic. I hope I'm not like rambling on too much.
No, that's fine.
Thanks, because like if I wasn't talking, I'd probably just explode into a mental arseball. Yeah, that's normal, isn't it? When is he going to come back? I hope he dies, lol. Yeah.
Back in there, you didn't wash your hands long enough.
You didn't wash your hands long enough? What the fuck? Your dog washed his hands? I'm assuming that was a dog, unless that was your sister.
Yeah.
Do you have a sister? Or just ignore me.
Oh.
Honestly, Ali, we cannot coordinate sentences together. I can't stop sweating, knees are shaky, I'm puking up, mum spaghetti, I don't listen to Eminem. Oh, there he is, he's going like mental bonkers over there. Oh, he's so close! His next move has to be the car.
Actually?
Yeah, he has to be there. I fucking hope this works.
I hope it does for you, man. I really do.
Thanks, that means a lot. Oh no, he's just fucking with me! He knows I'm here, he's already seen me, that's why he's like just hopping around right now. Shut up, Ali, this is a crucial moment. There he is!
Wow.
Yes! Yes! Oh, my ribs!
Where the fuck does the car go?
I might have blown up both
Wait,
of you
was that
cars.
outside the base?
It was outside the base, but there was also Liam as well. Your base should be damaged.
What
Oh.
the fuck? Wait, what, is Liam dead?
Liam is dead. There he is on the ground.
Where's his stuff then?
That he has
I
right
left
now.
his corpse there.
Where's his body?
It's right here where he died. I'm not gonna like pick it up or anything.
Oh, it is.
Oh.
Secretly, he just broke his keyboard and mouse.
Fuck yes. Can't stop. I can't stop. Oh, he's being such a great sport about it, though, I have to admit.
Have you relaxed now?
No, I haven't relaxed.
You didn't even realise.
I know, right? That, you know, people say that nothing feels greater than sex, right? That was greater than sex. I have no life. Oh, yes, that was a success.
Yeah, literally, it was like an hour and a half.
Yeah, but it was worth it. Fuck you, it was worth it. I'm already having giggles for like hours now. Like, this is gonna be great. Right then, well, mission accomplished.
Really?
Absolutely.